Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is unlocked and you know your Apple ID passcode. Once ready, open Settings and scroll to Face ID and Passcode. You may be prompted to enter your passcode. This section controls which apps use Face ID, so make sure to follow each toggle. Tap the entry for apps that request Face ID or look for the Use Face ID for list. From here, you'll take the first actionable steps to remove Face ID access for a selected app. Now you proceed to the detailed removal. In Face ID and Passcode, find Use Face ID for or the app-specific list. This is where Face ID permissions live. Toggle off the specific app you want to remove. This immediately stops the app from authenticating with Face ID. If the app isn't shown, open that app's settings or Settings Privacy to find its biometric permission. Some apps manage Face ID internally, so you'll disable it inside the app and confirm the change. To finish, close and reopen the app to verify it no longer prompts for Face ID. You should see the passcode or alternative sign-in. If the prompt persists, sign out of the app account or uninstall and reinstall the app to clear cached permissions. Make sure to restart your phone if changes don't apply immediately. If nothing works, reset Face ID in Settings Face ID and Passcode and reconfigure it. Then repeat the toggle removal. This fixes stubborn permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.